Good morning, students. Myself, G.Radha, Senior Lecturer in CCP from Government Polytechnic for Women, Warangal. Now, in today's class, the topics we are going to discuss is how to format CD or DVD, how to copy the files to CD, DVD, and what is the procedure for creating and naming shortcut. What is the definition of shortcut and what is the procedure for creating and naming shortcuts. In yesterday's class, we have discussed about the topics procedure for creating and naming folders, procedure for selecting files and folders, copying and deleting files and folders. That is in Windows Explorer. These are the topics about the understand Windows as operating system, that is the topic, and subtopics are this one. Under the topic understand Windows as operating system in Windows, how to format the CD DVD, how to copy the files or folders to CD or DVD, define a shortcut and procedure for creating and naming shortcuts. Now let us go to the actual topic, students. Now, how to format a CD or DVD in Windows 10. So what you have to do, right click on the start button, then click on File Explorer. These are the steps for formatting CD or DVD in Windows 10. So right click on the start button, then click on File Explorer. Right click on the start button, then click on File Explorer. Okay, students. File Explorer. Then a shortcut menu opens, and that you have to select the option this PC. Right click on the CD or DVD drive, then click Format. After opening this PC, you have to right click on the CD or DVD drive and then click on Format. Okay, students. On the Format window, select the specific options for formatting, then click on Start. So this is the pictures. Okay, these are the pictures while formatting the CD or DVD in Windows 10. So this is the first step. What you have to do, right click on the start button, then click on File Explorer. Then when you click on File Explorer, what will happen? You can see the list here. This is a pop-up list. Okay, this is a list where you have to open this PC. In this PC, what will happen? You have to select the CD or DVD drive on that one and then right click on CD or DVD drive and then click on Format. When you right click on CD or DVD drive, a shortcut menu opens. From that you have to select the Format menu and then a format window opens. Select the specific options for formatting, then click on Start. This is a format window here. We have the capacity here, file system, allocation unit size, restores device, defaults, volume label. So all these options is on the format dialog box, format window. There you have to select the options which you want to make changes in the selections. A warning message will appear about deleting all data on the drive. Then click on Start button. So a warning message will appear after deleting about deleting all data on the drive. To continue with the process, click OK. The CD DVD will begin to format. This means that whatever the previous old data will be there on the CD DVD, that will be deleted, and then a formatting of the CD and DVD will start. Okay, see here, students, in the dialog box, format DVD read writer drive E colon. Formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To click cancel. Okay, students. So this is how we format the CD or DVD in Windows 10. Steps for formatting. Here again, the steps are repeated in this one as one by one steps. The format CD DVD in Windows 10. Insert the CD read write as DVD read write into your computer. The CD goes into your computer's CD tray with the label facing up. If your computer does not have a CD drive, you will have to buy an external one. Okay, students. You have to insert the CD read write or DVD read write into the whatever the drives you have. Click this PC, click your disk drives icon, click manage. It's a tab in the upper left side of the File Explorer window. Clicking it prompts a toolbar to appear the Manage tab. Click Format. This icon is on the far left side of the toolbar. It resembles a gray drive with a red circling arrow on top of it. Select a file system. Click the file system drop down box. Then click one of the following file systems. Here, these are the file systems which we have pictorially seen. And here, step by step, is explaining for use on XP or older like this. For use on XP or older, UDF 1.50, UDF 2.00, UDF 2.01 and UDF 2.50, 2.06, this one. Click start and then OK. Doing so will begin formatting your CD for your selected file system. Click OK when prompted. This will complete the formatting process. So students, these are the 7 steps for formatting CD or DVD in Windows 10. Format CD on Windows. How to format CD on Windows? Insert CD, that is pictorially is showing the step by step. Insert the CD read write, DVD read write into your computer. The CD goes into your computer's CD tray with the label facing up. If your computer does not have a CD drive, you will have to buy an external one. This is first step. Then second step, open Start. Click the Windows logon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Windows logo. Then what will happen? Open Windows, open File Explorer. Click the folder shaped icon in the lower left side of the Start button. Okay, students, here you can see this is File Explorer. Click the folder shaped icon in the lower left side of the Start window. Then click this PC. It's a computer shaped tab on the left side of the File Explorer window. Click your disk drives icon. So here you have disk drives icon here. This is you will find this gray drive icon below the devices and drives. Devices and drives. Heading that's in the middle of the page. Click manage on the top. After clicking on this one, click on manage. It's a tab in the upper left side of the File Explorer window. Clicking it prompts a toolbar to appear below the Manage tab. Click Format. This icon is on the far left side of the toolbar. It resembles a gray drive with a red circling arrow on top of it. The format window will open. Okay, students, these are steps, okay, one by one. And this is the format window opens. Select a file system, click the file system drop down box. Then here, this is a file system drop down box. Then click one of the following file systems. UDF stands for Universal Disk Format. UDF is nothing but a universal disk format, which means any of the following file systems can be used for media such as music or movies, or for files. UDF 1.50 for use on XP and older, UDF 2.00 for use on XP and older, UDF 2.01 default usable with most current operating systems, UDF 2.50 usable with most current operating systems supporting Blu-ray, UDF 2.60 recommended usable with most current operating system supports Blu-ray. So this is about the file system you have. In the format dialog box, then next click start, then click OK. Doing so will begin formatting your CD for your selected file system. Click OK when prompted. This will complete the formatting process. Okay students, so these are the steps which are used in formatting the CD, DVD in Windows 10. Okay, okay students, I think you understood how to format DVD or CD drive. Format DVD in Windows 8. Before we have seen how to format CD or DVD in Windows 10. Now let us see how to format the DVD in Windows 8. What are the steps for formatting DVD in Windows 8? Follow these steps and check if this helps. Insert a blank recordable DVD into the DVD drive. When you insert a blank DVD into the drive, Windows automatically prompts you with some options. Select Burn Files to Disk. Another dialog box appears with the two types of format options. Type a name for the DVD disk in the section labeled Burn a Disk. Use a friendly name for the DVD. This is the label for the drive that will show when you insert it into the computer. Click the Show Formatting option. This opens the list of format options. Choose the type of format you want for the DVD. If you use only Windows, the most convenient type to choose is the Live File System. Click the Next button. Windows formats the DVD at this point. Test the disk by dragging and dropping a file to the DVD. You are now able to save files to the disk. So these are okay students, these are steps for formatting DVD in Windows 8. Now let us see pictorially, step by step pictorially how we can. Now let us see how to copy files to CD or DVDs with Windows 8. Next topic is copying of files or folders to CD or DVD. Now insert the blank disk into your disk burner. Then click or tap the notification box that appears in the screen's upper upper right corner. When the notifications, this is notification box. Students, this is notification box. Okay. When the notification box asks you would like to proceed, click the box's Burn Files to Disk option. Windows 8 displays a burn a disk dialog box and asks you to create a title for the disk. This is a burn a disk to the dialog. How do you want to use this one? This is a Type a name for the disk, describe how you want to use the disk and click Next. Unfortunately, Windows 8 limits your CD or DVD title to 16 characters. Instead of typing Family Picnic atop Orizaba in 2009, stick to the facts Orizaba 2009 or just click Next to use the default name for the disk, the current date. Windows can burn the files to the disk two different ways, like a USB flash drive and with a CD DVD player. Armed with this name, Windows 8 prepares the disk for incoming files. Tell Windows 8 which files to write to disk. Now that your disk is ready to accept the files, tell Windows 8 what information to send to its way. You can do this in any of the several ways. Right click and choose Send to from the pop-up menu. Drag and drop items on the burners icon in Windows in File Explorer. Click the Share tab and select Burn to Disk. Or tell your current program to save the information to the disk rather than to your hard drive. No matter which method you choose, Windows 8 dutifully looks over the information and copies it to the disk you inserted in the first step. A progress window appears showing the disk burner's progress. When the progress window disappears, the Windows has finished burning the disk. Close your disk burning session by ejecting the disk. When you are through copying files to the disk, push your drive's eject button or right click the drive's icon in the file explorer and choose eject. Windows 8 closes the session, adding a finishing touch to the disk that lets other PCs read it. Okay, students. So this is a picture showing how it is burning to the disk. Performing final steps to finish this disk. Estimated time limit is 60 seconds. So, okay, students. So these are the things we have discussed. That is how to format CD, DVD. What are the steps for formatting CD, DVD, and procedure for copying files and folders to CD and DVD. Now let us go to the next topic is shortcut. So what is a shortcut, students? What is a shortcut here? A shortcut is an abbreviated form of a keyboard shortcut. In Microsoft Windows, a shortcut is a link that points to a computer program. Shortcuts allow you to create links to programs in any folder, start bar, taskbar, desktop, or other locations on the computer. A shortcut in Windows has a small arrow in the bottom left corner of the icon. Shortcut file ends with a file extension of .ink. The picture shows an example of a Windows shortcut that links to the game SimCity. Okay, students, what is a shortcut? Shortcut is a link that points to a computer program. Is a link that points to a computer program. A shortcut is useful for accessing software programs or files more easily. Having a shortcut on the Windows desktop eliminates the need for user to look through the start menu programs list to find a specific software program. A shortcut also makes it quicker to open a file and not have to dig through folders on the computer to find a file. Shortcuts is an app for Apple iPhones and iPads that allows users to create home screen widgets that link to specific in-app actions. Okay, students. So this is about shortcut. Procedure to create shortcuts on Windows 8. So what is the procedure? Procedure for creating Windows shortcut on Windows 8. First method, method 1, creating a new shortcut. Open the location where you want the shortcut to be placed. This could be your desktop, a folder on your computer, or even an external drive. The shortcut file will point to the location that you specify. First step. Create the shortcut. Second step. First step is open the location where you want the shortcut to be placed. Second step, create a shortcut. Create the shortcut. Right click or long press if using a touch screen and select new or a shortcut. Okay, students, here you can see new arrow shortcut here. Right click on the desktop and then you can see a pop-up menu, that is shortcut menu, drop down menu which contains new. Under the new, go to shortcut. Okay, make sure to do this on a blank space as right clicking an icon will open the wrong menu. Next, third step, link to the target file or folder. Type in the location of the file or folder that you want to link to. Okay, you have to browse for the link. So you have a browse button here. You have to browse for the link. To browse for the target on your computer, if you don't know the exact location or file name, if you are typing in the location, you must enter the full path. Okay, students. This is third step. Fourth step, give the shortcut a name. By default, the shortcut will have the original file or folder's name. You can change this to be whatever you would like. And since it's a shortcut, you don't need to include the extension. The icon will be same as the target with a small arrow indicating that the icon is a shortcut. Okay, students. So this is the fourth step here. So this is the first method first method of creating a new shortcut. Next, second method, creating shortcuts from existing files and folders. Whatever files and folders is existing in the system, for that we want to create a shortcut. First step, find the file, folder or program you want to create a shortcut to. Shortcuts are icons that allow you to quickly access files, folders and programs that might be buried deep in a directory. The shortcut destination is referred to as the target. Shortcuts are typically placed on the desktop, in the start screen or pinned to the taskbar, but they can be placed wherever you find them most convenient. Second step, drag the target to another location while holding the shortcut keys. You can hold Ctrl plus up arrow shift a file or folder to create a shortcut instead of moving or copying the file. Releasing the target will create a shortcut in that location. Third step, send the target to the desktop as a shortcut. If you want to quickly create a desktop shortcut for your target, you can do so from the right click menu. Right click on the target and select send to desktop. Okay students, so select the file for which you want to create the shortcut, right click it, then from that you get a shortcut menu, select the desktop, select the send to desktop. Okay, the shortcut will appear on your desktop. The shortcut will have hyphen shortcut added to the end of the program, end of the name. You can remove this if you would like. Fourth step, create a shortcut in the same location as the target. Right click on the target and select create shortcut. A shortcut will be created in the same location which you can then move wherever you would like. The shortcut will have dash shortcut added at the end of the name. You can remove this if you would like to. So these are the steps for creating shortcut from existing files or folders. Third method, creating shortcuts from start screen app. That is, from start screen app, how to create a shortcut. Open the start screen and locate the app. If you right click on a start screen app, you'll find that you cannot create a shortcut to it to move anywhere. You can only pin to it to the taskbar. This is because the app on your start screen is already a shortcut. You can open the shortcut folder to make a copy of the shortcut yourself. You cannot create a shortcuts to apps that run on the Windows 8 modern UI. This means most apps from the Windows Store. Second step, this is the first step, open the start screen and locate the app. Second step, right click on the icon, select the open file location. So what you have to do, first step, that is open the start screen and locate the app. Second step, right click on the icon, select open file location. If you are using a touch screen, touch the icon and swipe down with your finger to open the right click menu. Next, third step, find and move the shortcut you want. Windows will open the folder with the shortcut you have selected. You can now copy it or send it to the desktop as a new shortcut. So this is the method. This is the third method, creating shortcut from start screen apps. So first method we have seen, creating a new shortcut. Second method we have seen, creating shortcuts from the existing files and folders. Third method we have seen, creating shortcuts from the start screen apps. Then fourth method, let us see, Pinning apps to the taskbar. How can we pin apps to the taskbar? That is, we can see it on the, we have by default, when you open the Windows 8 operating system, when you start the systems in the computer lab, you see on the taskbar many applications. Suppose you want to pin, that is nothing but you want to pin apps to the taskbar. First step, open the start screen. You can pin any item from the start screen on your desktop mode taskbar. This is the bar that runs along the bottom of the screen in the desktop and allows you to easily access your most important apps with a single click. Second step, right click or long press if using a touch screen the app you want to pin. You can choose from one of the tiles on the main start screen or move to your full apps list. You can pull this up by swiping up from the bottom of the screen or by clicking the down arrow button at the bottom of the start screen. Third step, select pin to taskbar. The program will be added to the end of the taskbar icons. You cannot pin live tiles. Fourth step, move your taskbar icons around. Click and drag an icon along the taskbar to rearrange it. So, okay, students. So, these are the steps for pinning apps to the taskbar. Now, let us go to the next topic is renaming a shortcut. How can we rename a shortcut? So, what are the steps for renaming a shortcut? Select the shortcut, right click the mouse and choose rename option. Enter the new name. The above method can also be used for renaming any file or folder. Next, using the shortcut. By double clicking the shortcut, we can easily open the file or application or program or folder. Next topic. So these are the steps for renaming a shortcut. Select the shortcut icon, right click the mouse and choose rename option. Enter the new name. Okay, students. Next, moving a shortcut. Moving a shortcut to appropriate place where you want to move. Select the shortcut icon, right click the mouse and choose the cut option. Reach the location where you want to place the shortcut. Again, right click the mouse and choose paste option or use the drag and drop method to move the shortcut. This is how we can move the shortcuts. Appropriate place for the shortcut. The appropriate place for a shortcut is normally desktop, but depending upon our requirements, we can place it anywhere. Next, shortcut settings. Shortcut settings can be changed as right click the shortcut, select properties. The properties window appears. Generally, we have two types, general and shortcut. Two types of tabs, general and shortcut. General tab displays the general details like size, date created, changed accesses, etc. Okay, students, this is how we have created shortcut for Internet Explorer here. So in general section, it will show the type of file, that is shortcut, description is internet, location, that is path, C:/ documents and settings /SK Hamad Basha D. Okay, size is 104 bytes. Then size on disk is 16.0 KB. Created on Saturday, that is the details it has given, and modified details it has given and accessed. Then you have attributes, read only, hidden, archive. So these are the things shortcut properties contains under the general tab. Okay, students. Next, change all app shortcut icons on desktop in Windows 8 8.1. After creating a shortcut for all apps on your Windows computer, after creating a shortcut for all apps on your Windows computer, you can change the shortcut icon to make it more distinctive. Go on reading and learn how to change the all app shortcut icons using the method illustrated by the 4 steps below. Steps to change all apps shortcut icons on desktop in Windows 8 8.1. First step, right click the shortcut and choose properties to access its properties window. Okay students, this here in this slide pictorially he is showing that he has selected all apps here. There is a folder all apps. He has right click and a shortcut menu opened there. From that he has opened selected properties, and then a properties windows opens, dialog box opens. Then click on the change icon to continue. Tap change icon to continue here. Under the shortcut tab in properties dialog box, you have a shortcut tab. Under the shortcut tab, you have a change icon command. Okay, click on this one to continue. Third step, as the change icon window opens, choose an icon you like from the list provided and click OK. So these are the icons. Okay students, these are the icons. You have list of icons which can be used for changing the shortcut icon. Okay, from this you can select it here. So you have selected this one and then you have to click on OK button. When returning the properties dialog box, tap OK to confirm the changes. You have to say apply and then say OK for confirming the changes. From the following screenshot, you can see that the all apps shortcuts icon is changed successfully. See here. So this is all apps icon shortcut is changed successfully. So these are the steps. Okay students, these are the steps for changing all apps shortcut icon on desktop in Windows 8 or 8.1. Okay. So let me show you practically by opening the desktop of Windows here. So when you right click on the start menu, then a file explorer opens here. For formatting CD or DVD here, there in file explorer you have to go to this PC. Under this PC you have to select drives, that is DVD here. You can see here DVD. Okay students, then you have a manage here. Click on manage. So this is a manage, about manage. Right click and say format. Okay students, DVD read write is there here in this one. So the format DVD read write drive. So a message has come. This there is no disk in drive F. Okay. So compulsory you have to put the DVD on the DVD drive and then say format. This is a procedure for formatting files of formatting CD or DVD. Okay students, this you have seen practically. So these are the steps. Then we say format dialog box opens there. but because we don't have CD or DVD in drives, so here this is how we can format CD or DVD. The next topic is how to copy files. So CD or DVD, let us see how to copy. Again, you have to insert the disk onto the disk burner for burning. Then notification boxes appears. Here we don't have any CD or DVD to show you practically. So on the top notification, this is notification here. So Windows 8 displays a burn a disk. This dialog box asks you to create a title for the disk. So you have to enter the name for the disk, title for the disk. Burn to disk. Right click it and say burn to disk. The process goes on like this. So this is a procedure for copying files or folders to CD or DVD. Okay, students. The next is shortcut. How to create shortcut. So what is the procedure for creating shortcuts? We'll see here. Now, just on the desktop, right click it and say new. Go to new shortcut here. Then browse, create shortcut. Then the dialog box opens here. Practically, I'm showing you. Students, practically, I'm sharing the application, showing you. Browse. There in this PC, you can see, take anything. It is on desktop. Mail merge. You can take this one and create a shortcut for one. Then you say next. Next step, it will ask for the name of the shortcut. Then say finish. Okay, students, this is the shortcut created on mail merge document. Okay, and the arrow indicates this is a shortcut. And on the left below, okay, bottom, left to bottom, a arrow which indicates this is a shortcut. Here also you have in this one shortcut here. This is how we create and name the shortcuts. Then procedure for creating and naming the shortcuts. We'll see how to pin apps on the taskbar. Pinning the apps on the taskbar, that is when you right click it. Yep, already pin is there. Print to taskbar. See here. Okay, students, have focused uh, on an application and right click it. Then here you have more, under more, pin to taskbar. When you say, it will seen on the taskbar. See, this is how we can pin to the taskbar. Okay, students. So these are the pinning apps to the taskbar. Okay. Now let us again go back to our class, that is PPTs, and continue with the PPTs we have. So summary, in today's class, we have seen creation of shortcut can be done very easily using right click the mouse on the item, send to desktop, moving of shortcut, naming and placing shortcut. Shortcut icon can be changed as right click properties, shortcut tab, change icon button, select icon, click OK. Now we will go to the quick quiz part of the today's class. So first question is, a shortcut is a link to options, a file, a folder, that is C, A and B, D, only an application. So a file or a folder. A shortcut is a link to a file, a folder. Okay, students. Next, icon of a shortcut can be changed. True, false. Answer is true. So let us go to the assignment part of today's class. What is formatting? Okay, students, you have to prepare this assignments at home and submit me tomorrow in the class, and we'll be discussing these assignment topics. Create, move, rename a shortcut and change its icon. Now let us go to the frequently asked questions. So what are the frequently asked questions in the before end exams? That is the last year's end exams, end semester exams. First question, explain the procedure to format CD oblique DVD. Second question, explain the procedure to copy the files folders to CD oblique DVD. Third question, define a shortcut. Fourth question, explain procedure for creating and naming shortcut. Fifth question, how to change the icon of a shortcut. So students, these are the 5 questions which has been frequently asked in the last year's, in the previous end semester examinations. Okay, students. So these are the topics which we have discussed in today's class. So I think you have understood the topics which I have shown you practically. I have shared the application and also shown you practically. That is how to procedure to format CD oblique DVD, procedure to copy the files or folders to CD oblique DVD, define a shortcut, procedure for creating and naming a shortcuts. Okay, students. So I'll end the class for today here. Bye, students. Bye for today.